Today's supply chain is a non-stop series of challenges and a non-stop quest for efficiencies. The Marathon Field Computer aids supervisors and QC personnel in warehousing, distribution, and manufacturing by giving them the computing power they need in a highly mobile package. Take the case of the warehouse supervisor who needs to address an exception on the floor. He undocks his Marathon Field Computer from its smart desk dock, where it is connected to an external monitor and mouse, just like his old laptop, and heads down to the floor. But unlike his large laptop, the Marathon's ergonomics allow easy operation as he takes notes standing up using both the full QWERTY keyboard and touchscreen. When he sees damaged goods on a pallet, the integrated 2-megapixel camera lets him pause to take a quick picture for later reference. The bolt-on 2D imager ties into his ERP or WMS system. And the Marathon's available outdoor display and IP65 rating means it can go anywhere. With available add-ons like a magstripe reader for security check-ins, it can also do just about anything his facility needs. Stay connected and stay efficient with the Marathon Field.